to take these side panels off. And you do have screws, Phillips screws, here, here. So basically, have instructions. That's how it will look after I get done installing the Android radio. And you should pay attention to what radio you get, because these vehicles sometimes have multiple radios that are made inside the vehicle, which means the wiring can be different. So you have to make sure that the radio you have and the radio you're replacing is actually for it, or you will have to return it because it won't work properly. So I just popped these off from right there. I had to use a flathead, popped it off. And I have my impact to remove the screws off. That one was kind of tight. Alright, so both of those top might be tight. So you have 3 screws on both sides. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually, you'll have 6 screws, not 3 screws. They sit below than the other ones on both sides. Right there. After you take them screws out, you can pull this right out, but you will need to put the gear shifter all the way down to drive. So that comes straight out. Alright, so I got it loose, had to fight with it a little bit. Clips was tight. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips you will have to undo. AC. Let's see. So you will be taking off the original parts. You can see that's on the original radio. You'll be taking those off and placing it on the new radio. Everything should line up. So the old one's removed. These are all the screws that you need to take out. So this is how it looks once it's all installed. You'll have to pull off the clips from the original one. Sometimes the clips get stuck right here, the clip holders. Make sure that you don't leave them inside of that because they would get lost once you put the new radio back in. Alright, so this is the radio powering on. Make sure it's working. Okay, so radio is working, sound is working. Stick this GPS.
Could this vintage store be any cuter? Right? And the best part? They accept Discover. Accept Discover? In a little place like this? I don't think so, Jennifer. Oh, yeah, huh? Discover's accepted where I like to shop. Come on, baby, get with the times. Right, so we shouldn't get the parachute pants? These are making a comeback. I think.
Discover's accepted at 99% of places that take credit cards nationwide.
Alright. You would want to put the USBs in. Push it back up. Should push right back into the cooler spaces. It's okay to use a little bit of force. Right, so now
Sponsored by Merck.
Global
just
Citizen
putting
is
all the
world's
screws
largest
back in their spot.
on a mission to end extreme poverty and defend the planet. Join the movement by downloading the Global Citizen app. Take action on the issues that matter most, from climate change to education.
USB right there.
With daily goals. Every action you
Push
take
that
brings
up.
us closer to real change and unlocks access to exclusive rewards, from concert tickets to once-in-a-lifetime experiences.
Grab that box that we took out earlier.
Available on the App Store and Google
Slide that up under the radio. Alright, so for the screws, we'll put on the bottom radio ones first. Then you'll put the bottom ones right here. Just the two, or just the three. And then you'll put the last one on top so it can hold the bezels. Alright, so this is it installed. for the side pieces, you'll basically slide it on and then push this side over and clip down, or you can just push it all on together and go on easy. That's how you install that. Like and subscribe.